Mathematicians, in this video, the learning target is I can create change minus story problems. What is a change minus problem? A change minus problem begins with a given quantity, which is then modified by a change. Something is subtracted. As a result, there is a new quantity. Here is an example. In the morning, Isabel baked 6 muffins. Then in the afternoon, she ate 2 muffins. How many muffins are left? She baked 6 muffins. And then in the afternoon, Isabel ate 2 muffins. This means there is a new amount of muffins left. 2 muffins are subtracted, and this is the reason why it is a change minus story problem. There are also 3 kinds of change minus story problems. The first kind of change minus story problems is unknown result. Here is my story problem. 13 birds were at the feeder. Then 8 flew away. How many birds are at the feeder now? There were 13 birds to begin with. 8 flew away. The unknown partner, the mystery number, or the unknown result is what the question is asking for. How many birds are at the feeder now? The second kind of change minus story problems is unknown change. Here is my story problem for the unknown change. 13 birds were at the feeder. Then some flew away. Now 5 birds are at the feeder. How many birds flew away? This story problem is an example of an unknown change minus story problem. My first sentence has the total amount of birds. In the second sentence, I have the unknown change or the unknown partner. The third sentence has the known partner, 5 birds. Finally, the question asks how many birds flew away. Some birds flew away. The question is asking for the unknown change. The final change minus story problem is known as the unknown start. It is an unknown start because the total amount is the mystery number. Some birds were at the feeder. Then 8 birds flew away. Now 5 birds are at the feeder. How many birds were at the feeder at first? Once again, this is an unknown start change minus story problem because the unknown start or the unknown total is given first in the story problem. Both partners, 8 and 5, are in the story problem, and the question asks for how many birds were at the feeder at first. The question is asking for the total amount. Mathematicians, I can create change minus story problems. Can you create change minus story problems?